Hey everyone! Today we are at the office of Somani Seeds to celebrate the Go-Live event of SAP Business One. Let us hear what Mr. Kamal Somani, the iconic figure behind the success of this venture, has to say about how SAP Business One has transformed Somani Seeds.
Yeah, I'm Kamal Somani, CMD of Somani Seeds. We started this company in 2013. It is a research-based company. All professional people have joined. Almost everybody is having more than 25-30 years experience. Though we started in 2013, but homework was done long back, and the results are there. We are prospering. Day by day, when you grow, naturally lot of process are involved, so the business has to be process driven because there are so many activities. There are a lot of chances to have the mistakes and all. So to avoid this, we thought it is better we can go for some ERP system. We tried, we have taken in consideration so many other ERP. We evaluated, we found that this Business One SAP will be better for us to get involved in our business. What happens in seed business, there are 2-3 very important steps. One is the inventory management. In our business, we have to track the age of the seed what we are procuring or what we are producing. So that is not possible very much. Then not only the age of the your stock, but also when we are marketing, if any sales return we are getting, so which lot we got it, whether that lot was quality approved, was properly passed. If you want to blend, which lots we can blend or market it. There are so many issues are there. So there are human errors. Sometimes it may be possible to track it properly or not, but when any process driven system is there, ERP is there, then it is very easy to track. So this is one advantage we have in inventory management. Second, we are also quality conscious. So when we are doing any seed supplying to the farmers, it has to be passed through so many quality parameters. So if we are not tracking proper quality parameters, or if any error is there, then also there is a problem. So once you are on process driven system, unless and until the lots properly passed in quality parameters, if it is fed into the system, then only this system will allow you to generate the GRN or generate to invoice. So it is possible for the supply. Otherwise, it won't allow it to generate the GRN or invoice. So this is one of the best benefit in this system, because if human errors are there, or anybody is taking low cadre person is taking his own self decision, also is a question. At least when the decision is made, it is involved to the senior person. So with the senior person's knowledge only, we can make the decisions. This is the best advantage. Then in our seed business, there are so many, while marketing, there are so many schemes. So which schemes are very difficult to, calculate the CD or any other benefit we want to pass on to our dealer, distributor, which distributor is eligible, which distributor is not eligible. So this also can be easily tracked with the SAP. Third, the aging of the payments, what we are receiving. This seed business mostly is on what you call, it is though we call it the sale, but it is not a sale. It is you can say stock transfer sort of thing, because the distributors, they pay only after maybe 30 days or after 60 days or maybe after 3 months. So we need to track those distributors, what is the outstanding, how many days outstanding is there. So these all will be very helpful in this system. So that's why we thought we will go for the ERP, and then we selected this business SAP, Business One SAP. Yeah, almost we are working with Uneecops for from the day we started negotiation, and then various steps. Almost is more than 6 months, but every time we find they are very cooperative. They are coming as and when we require. They are solving our problem as and when our team wanted, because our team members are very new. Only one Mr. Onkar was experienced. He was with us, in 2004. He went in the same SAP system, so that's why he was experienced. But entire other team was new. So giving training and solving their day-to-day problem, it was excellent. There is no problem as such. So we really thank your organization for so much cooperation and like that. Thank you.
Lean, innovative, visual, engaging. Uneecops, building live enterprises.